when I say big money, I'm not talking about 100,000 dirham, but at least you should be getting 10,000 dirham minimum. And this is not the salary of an average person in Dubai. Let me tell you that. Everybody knows that. So in 3 years' time, if you can get out of your debt, you can get out of your job stress and tension, and you can go back to your home. 10,000 is close to about $3,000. That's good. And if you want to get, say, 30,000 dirham, that's very good. But that's not still excellent. Excellent is when you are over 100,000. So you see how you get the money. You have to understand that. You get the money not because of your PV that you are doing, sitting over here. You are getting money because of your team. This team, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people whom you have joined with their hunger. They want to make money and or whatever, they want to get out of this situation, whatever the situation they are in. All right? So 6 people who join in your team, they should be like you or better than you, not less than you. So that is the reason why I say this business is not for everybody. Very few people will be like you or better than you. So if you get people who are, just not lazy, they are just joining it because of you, or they're just joining because you are, sister of that person, or your long lost friend or whatever. They are just joining because of not their why. So now these 6 people, if they talk professionally, I'll come to that part. If they talk professionally, can you get 1 person per month? 1 person in your team in 30 days. Possible, not possible? Possible? How can you get 1 person like you? Please don't talk, because in my class, no talking. All right. So now let me ask you. Now I'm going to ask you all the time. You are going to talk to me only. Okay. If you talk to 1 person per day, how many person are you talking per month? Per day only 1 person. 30. All right. Now, do you think all 30 people will join you?
Maybe, it's up to me. If I have power convincing, yes, sure.
I want to see that.
Powerful convincing, sure they will join.
I would.
100%.
150. All right. Okay. I would like, you believe, all right. But let's not talk, let's do it.
Yeah.
Inshallah, after 6 months, I'm going to see you. What's your name? Lorna.
Yeah.
All right. No, don't be so romantic. My wife is not over here. I'll be getting in trouble. All right. Oh, yeah. No, you said Lorna in a very romantic way. All right. So, Lorna, when you are talking to, yeah, how do, you're talking from your, yeah, heart. No. When you are talking to me, you talk from your lips, okay? All right. Now, when you're talking to 30 people, there will be few who will join to use the product. So, Lorna, I want to try the product. You are saying the products are good. Let me try it. Coffee is good, you are saying. So you give the coffee, she tries it, he tries it, and all that. Some people will say, no, these are all garbage. I don't believe in food supplements and all that. And business-wise, definitely people will say no to you. I'm telling you from my last 6.5 years of my experience. They will not say yes. If you get 30 people, I'm going to salute you. All right, and maybe I will give you my account diamond to you also. 30 people in 30 days. All right, now look over here. 1 person joins under Lorna. Is it okay? I'm going to put your name. Now you are a celebrity. Number 1 over here. All right, so 1 person. All right, 1 person this month. What is this month? October. Next month, the 1 becomes 2. Everybody gets 1 person. November 2. And in December, becomes 4. And in January, it becomes 8. And then 16. Then 32. You know, in the 12th month, in September 2010, how many people you will have in your that one line?
30 times 12. No,
This is your homework. How you can get it, all right? That's your homework. You will get 4,096 people in that line. 4,096. Only 1 person per month. That is the power of multiplication and duplication. So 4,096 multiplied by 6 is over 24,000. 24,000 multiplied by 100, that is when you will start remembering God too much, let me tell you that. Because you have to thank God, because the God is giving you that much of money. When we talk about, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, people are getting. And I met this guy, and I said, I would like to spend 2 hours with you from the other company. He's just getting about 1.2 million US dollar per month. And that's a big money. 1.2 million US dollar per month. That's some money. So I said, teach me something. How did you get this 1.2 million? You know what was the thing which he told me? You want to listen to that? Golden tip? Yes. 1.2 million. He said, you have to find the right company. I said, I've got the right company. I know it. You have to get the right product. I said, product has helped me, helped my family and friends. And the compensation plan or the marketing plan has to be very good. I said, I fully believe in my marketing plan and the compensation plan because it's giving me money. So he said, most of the people have got these 3. So what is the 4th one? What is the people? People, of course. You, yes. You'll get people. You are all highly motivated. You want to earn that much. What is the 4th thing? Attitude. We'll show that now, the DVD on attitude. Your attitude is also good. Highly motivated. And you're a leader. You are all that. Belief is also good. Desire is also very good. Burning desire you have. With full of fire. Reconsider also. You have reconsidered and you have made other people reconsidered also. All your 4,000 people. Teach, train, coach, all that. He said you have to give tithe. That's it. He said, I have started earning that money because I'm in that company for 20 years. Now, if I am in the business for 5 years and I think that I should be like Salim Budiman or the guys who are the top earner of DXN, not possible. Why? Or Professor Vasupalya, not possible. Why? Because they have got 1 million people in their team. I cannot get 1 million in 5 years' time, even if I am a superhero. So you are very lucky people. I gave you a comparison of those billion-dollar company, the product, the company, the marketing plan, all. So you have to stick to the company for a longer time. When I say 3 years, tell me, 10,000 dirham should not be a problem. But you have to become professional. You have to be accountable. You know what's accountability? I'm sure you would be able to define it better. What's your name, sir? Patrick. Patrick, how would you define accountability?
Owning the problem. Ownership.
Why don't you go? Why are you hiding there? Come over here, right in the center stage. Come on. All right. Accountability.
Accountability is about ownership.
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 All right. Now, in your job, how many people are doing job over here? Oh, you want to, you're Mrs. Patrick?
Yes.
All right.
Accountability means taking the responsibility of that job and making things happen.
Right. 50% answer. Yours is also 50% answer. It's not 100%. Why you are doing the job so well in your office? Do you know that? You're responsible, you're everything. And whatever, how many people love to do their job, whatever they are doing? You see, if the boss says, okay, Mr. Patrick, you're not going to get the money, you're such a wonderful person, I love you and all that, but I'm not going to give you any salary. Are you going to work?
No. Of course not.
Not tomorrow. Not now. What about tomorrow? Forget about tomorrow. No way. I've said this is my resignation, sir. Please keep it. In our business of DXN, why people fail is because you're not accountable to anybody on top. In your job, responsibility and all that's very good. Right? But the boss's stick is there. If you don't complete that project, you'll get a love letter. Or your salary will be deducted. Or finally you said, okay, Lorna, nice seeing you. You can go back to Philippines. We don't want your service because you did not fulfill the thing which was given to you.
My responsibility.
Your responsibility. So in our DXN, you see your sponsor, whosoever, is not your boss. He's your coach, his guru or she is whatever friend and all that. So you have to basically, be accountable to yourself. That's one of the reasons why people fail in this thing. So coming to this thing, time. 3 to 5 years and keep on, you have to be with DXN for a longer time. And I've seen all those people, Professor knows it, all those in India, Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia. In June I was, so privileged to see all these top crown diamonds who had been in the business for 12 years, 14 years. And that's the freedom we are talking about. If you are really serious, then you have to learn professionally, number one. And number two, after learning, what do you have to do? After learning, you have learned everything. What do you do after that? You teach, you train. Duplicate. Implementation. Basically, I'll come to this thing later.